Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today also we are going to do something very new. So what we are doing is, see, you just see the drawing, okay? You just see the drawing. First you have to make a number 11, okay? After you make the number 11, now what you are going to do is, इधर से हमको देखो, बहुत ध्यान से देखना, ये इतना जगह है हमारे पास. इधर से हमको स्लाइड करके इधर आना है. फिर एक टिचकिया बनाने का है. टिचकिया बनाने के बाद अगेन वी हैव टू स्लाइड एंड वी हैव टू कम हियर. नाउ दिस इज़ वेरी डार्क, आई एम गोइंग टू रब इट. देन वी हैव टू स्लाइड एंड कम हियर, मतलब इट्स जस्ट अ फोल्ड. देन फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव टू स्लाइड हियर टिल हियर. ओके, so this is the way we are making a leg, children. We are making a leg. I've done it very darkly now. I don't know what should I do. So I'll just tell you. So this is a girl wearing a heel. So I'm just giving the shape. अभी इतना ध्यान देना है कि हमको इधर से ऐसे फ्लैट करना है. फ्लैट करने के बाद see these are the belly shape. So we can put that belly shape first. Okay, this will be flat. Then this goes up like that, like that, like that. और इधर से ऐसे टिंगू बन के इधर आएगा. करेक्ट. अभी वी जस्ट हैव टू गिव द शेप ऑफ अ बेली हियर. Okay, we give the shape of the belly and now we can quietly and quickly make this heel. Now I made it very dark, so you know what, I will just have to rub this a bit, because if I do it so dark it will not suit my colors which I want to do. It will look awful. So I am supposed to see and not anybody else. Can you all see this drawing? Yes, if you all can see the drawing, fine. I wanted to do wide belly, so even if my pencil mark is being seen, it will look bad. Let's see what we do. Okay, so now to make the jeans texture, you know what you are going to do. I'll just show you what you're going to do. Now you're not going to take your pencil. See, this will be a center line. No, I can't do this with this. You have to take this instrument. Everybody has this instrument at home. Even chota bachas have, and even bada bachas have this instrument. So the first thing what you are going to do is make a straight line till here. You have to press it hard, but don't press it so hard that you tear your paper. Okay, अभी क्या करना है? See, jeans texture करने के लिए we have to make such slanting lines. Can you understand? Slanting lines like that. Slanting lines like that. Now you know what, the first thing what am I doing, I have just made this line, and just besides this line, see, just besides this line I am just going to make the stitches. Okay, stitches. You have to press it hard, but don't press it so hard that you tear the paper. Just be careful with that. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने सिलाई बना दी. अभी स्लोली एंड स्लोली नज़दीक वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस. यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? हम लोग को स्लांट में इसको काटना नहीं है, मतलब सिर्फ इम्प्रेशंस बनाने हैं. आई जस्ट शो दिस नियर एंड देन आई ऑफ द वीडियो एंड डू इट. I hope you all can see this impressions. Can you see this impressions? Yes, similar impressions you're going to make here as well as here. Okay, so I'll do that and I'll come back to you. I'm through with my impressions. Now see, now watch each and every step very carefully. We will not do this step first, we will show you this step. So for this what you need to do is first clean your white very well. Okay, ये white clean होने के बाद what you are supposed to do is on this part, you know this part which we did, दबा के white कर देना. See, दबा के white करना है. इधर जिधर हम लोगों ने ऐसे सुई धागा टाइप्स किया था ना, इधर भी हमको दबा के ऐसे white करना है. देखो, मेरा दबा के और हल्के हाथ से, जब मैं बोलूँगी हल्के हाथ से तभी हल्के हाथ से करना है, जब बोलूँगी दबा के तब दबा के करना है. ओके, be concentrate on what am I saying. Okay, now you take your Persian blue, children. Persian blue. अभी ये जो लकड़ी है ना, उसके ऊपर दबा के, okay, this is दबा के, you have to press it hard and do this first line. Okay, आफ्टर यू डू दिस फर्स्ट लाइन, what you will do is नीचे का जो लाइन है उसको भी हम लोग ऐसे दबा के कर देंगे, ठीक है। ये दबा के करने के बाद वी विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग ऐसे डिचक डा डा डा। Have I on the video? Yes, I have. I get very scared, you know, it's a nightmare. Even while I was making my this drawing, you know, the watercolor one, in between I had forgotten to on the video. फिर वो सब लफड़ा हो जाता है। अभी ये किया, इधर हमको हल्का हल्का ब्लू मारना है एंड देन जस्ट swirl your hand a bit here, okay? So this much part is done. Now the second part is, इधर हमको white करा है, ठीक है। तो इधर देखो, अभी मेरे ब्लू से थोड़ा सा कलर निकला, मेरा ब्लू कलर हो गया। अभी मेरे को यही इधर से ऐसे खींचने का है और ये लाइन पे भी ऐसे करने का। वो हल्का सा ब्लू आ जाता है, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी। अभी आई हैव टू वरी बिकॉज माई ब्लू हैज इवन कम आउट, बट देन इट्स ओके। ओके, नाउ ऑन दिस वाइट आई एम टेकिंग माई लाइट ब्लू। नाउ कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दिस पार्ट, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस ऐसे वेरी हल्के हाथ से, बुड्ढा बुड्ढा टाइप्स, ओके। यू डोंट हैव टू प्रेस इट हार्ड, यू हैव टू डू इट वेरी लाइटली, ओके। एंड नाउ यू सोल योर हैंड लाइक दैट, ओके। एक ही बार सोल करना, ज़्यादा नहीं दबाना है। नाउ अगेन यू टेक योर पर्शियन ब्लू चिल्ड्रन, ओके। यू हैव टेकन योर पर्शियन ब्लू, ये पार्ट पे यू हैव टू डू योर पर्शियन ब्लू। Check this very carefully, this part. Then here you do your normal blue, okay. Normal blue करने के बाद पर्शियन ब्लू के ऐसे ऐसे डॉट्स बनाने हैं, ठीक है। और फिर बीच में जो जगह बची है उसमें हमको ब्लू करना है। ये सब हमारा हो गया दबा दबा के, ओके। इधर हम लोगों ने कलर को थोड़ा थोड़ा दबाया है, ठीक है। अभी जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे हमारा दबाने का पोर्शन थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा। नाउ अगेन यू टेक योर पोर्शन ब्लू, और इधर जो हमने वाइट लाइन की थी, इट्स ब्लैक, माय गॉड, बच गई मैं। इधर हम लोगों ने पर्शियन ब्लू कर दिया, एक लाइन ऑफ पर्शियन ब्लू। नाउ यू गोइंग टू टेक योर पर्शियन ब्लू, टेक अ लिटिल पैच हियर, दिस इज द वाइट पैच। नाउ यू आर सपोज टू डू दिस ऐसे डपचक करके, सी यू कैन सी द लाइन्स, ओके। ऐसा डपचक करके यू हैव टू कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द पोर्शन, ऐसा, ओके। डोंट स्क्रिबल इट एंड डोंट डू इट वेरी, आई मीन टू से बहुत दबाना भी नहीं है और बहुत हल्के हाथ से भी नहीं करना है। नाउ यू टेक योर ब्लैक कलर चिल्ड्रन, और ये जो इधर मुड़ रहा है, पहले हम लोग ने इधर हल्के हाथ से ब्लैक किया, एकदम हल्के हाथ से ब्लैक किया, ओके। फिर यू टेक योर पर्शियन ब्लू कलर चिल्ड्रन, नाउ अगेन यू डू दिस डपचिक 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 डा डपचिक डपचिक डा 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 डपचिक 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 डा 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 डा। See, today's our entire lesson is to learn the jeans texture. Okay, today we are going to learn the jeans texture. So अगर पैर और ये जो तो हमने जूता के वो अच्छे से नहीं भी होगा तो it's okay. Our main intention is to learn the jeans texture today. Okay, so be concentrated and try and do the same. And yeah, please post on Canvas and Scissors group. I die to see your paintings. I know I have become a little, I'm not lazy yaar, I'm busy. I'm not lazy, I'm busy. Now you take your light blue color children, और अभी देखो, पहले सबसे पहले है ना, ये लाइन को ऐसे सीधा हमने बना दिया, ठीक है। अभी ये लाइट ब्लू कलर लिया, इधर से हमने ऐसे ना ज़्यादा दबाना है ना ज़्यादा छोड़ना है, ठीक है। इधर से भी ऐसे, बिकॉज आवर जीन्स इज अल्टीमेटली लाइट ब्लू इन कलर। वॉट एवर डार्क पोर्शन यू आर सीइंग इज द what do you call, now you take your whites and you just have to do this, that means the jeans is blue in color, we cannot just change the color of the jeans, but वो white हम लोग इसलिए करते हैं ताकि वो थोड़ा सा textured दिखे। now we are taking our portion blue, और थोड़ा सा portion blue है ना, जास्त दबायचं नाही, and you have to do it हल्के हाथ से एकदम बीच में। now you take your finger and just swirl it once, okay, so the texture comes well. Now this side is also similar, you can put your shadows wherever you wish, okay. So this is the way I've used Persian blue here, children. This is Persian blue. Now this is my light blue, but when I go here, I'll leave a patch of white. I've already done white here, but I'll still leave a little white, okay? And then, see, your color shade should go in the direction of the strands. I mean to say the direction of the जो हम लोग ने टेक्सचर किया ना, उसी डायरेक्शन में ऐसे ही ऐसे जाना चाहिए. ये नहीं तुम अपना डायरेक्शन ही बदल दो. ना 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 बेटा, ऐसा मत करना. अदरवाइज फिर वो जीन्स नहीं दिखेगी, कुछ और ही दिखने लग जाएगा फिर मेरे को ना कहिए. So this is the impressions, you know, the jeans impression which you will get. Okay, I'm using a little bit of Persian blue to make it a little darker shade here. A little black to show the shadows more carefully. We are coming up with a big contest, children, which is a ramp walk for children. It is for children, it is for elders, it is for so many people. And yes, we are coming up with Trash to Treasure. It is Trash and Pay Fashion. That is the name which we have given to the contest. Abhi Trash and Pay Fashion, it is not necessary that you have to wear your product. That means it does not necessarily mean that you have to make a dress out of trash. You can make any product. The creativity of how you will walk the ramp will be decided. Actually, the first stage, how you will walk the ramp, will not be the criteria of judging. The judging criteria will be sustainable development of the product which you are using, and of course your skills, and it should not be copied from the net. I know you can always take inspiration from there, but don't make a replica, please. अभी स्किन कलर करने के लिए हम लोग स्किन कलर ही लेंगे. And what we do is we take our brown color, you know, the brown color which we have. Okay, so now what we do is, check this out. Okay, now we're going to make a shadow. Now the ये कहाँ से कचरा आ गया बेचारा, पड़े पड़े मेरा कलर थक गया है. Actually I have not done many drawings, but you know I am not ऐसे भी एकदम मैं गंदी बच्ची नहीं बनी हूँ. एटलीस्ट हफ्ते में एक बार तो करने की कोशिश कर ही रही हूँ मैं, पर हो जाता है यार मेरे से. वी कैन मेक अ टैटू ऑल्सो इफ यू विश. एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, सी you are busy, but a busy man can remove time for everything. And so I try to remove, this is my brown color, okay, I try to remove time for every activity which I have been a part of, because I don't like to you know, you understand. But everyday video, like how initially in the lockdowns, like I used to make videos on everyday basis. Now yes, I'm not able to make videos on everyday basis, but does not mean that I'm not going to make it at all. सब लोग बिजी हो गए ना, स्कूल भी चालू हो रहे हैं, काम भी चालू हो रहा है धीरे धीरे. सो वो जो लॉकडाउन में हम लोग एकदम वेले थे और बहुत सारे वीडियोस बना सकते थे, वो नहीं बना पा रहे. दैट्स इट. सो आई एम यूजिंग माई स्किन कलर, दैट इज द फ्लैश टिंट, और नाउअडेज इट इज कॉल्ड समथिंग एल्स, लाइट पीच कलर. इट्स कॉल्ड द लाइट पीच कलर इन योर बॉक्स नाउ. बिफोर इट वॉज कॉल्ड द फ्लैश टिंट. ऐसा लगता था किसी शेर ने कुछ खा लिया है और उसको अभी उन लोगों ने अच्छा सा सोबर सा नाम दे रखा है. सी दिस इज द स्किन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ घसर पट्टी. सो यू हैव टू मर्ज दिस. आई हैड ब्लू कलर इन माई हैंड ना, हो गया ना, बैंड बच गई. नेवर माइंड, बट आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट. सो डू इट वेरी केयरफुली, डोंट कम आउट. Now there is one way of doing the shoe is, you can use a leather texture. You remember the purse which we did? If you remember the purse which we did, तो उसमें हम लोग ने leather texture किया था, तो you can use that leather texture here and do the shoes as a leather texture, or you can use your oil pastels. Now since time flies by very fast, I don't know whether I'll really be able to do, because I don't have, I've taken a little white just to increase a little toning in the skin. Okay, I'm just toning the skin somewhere. So I've taken my whites. Okay, now we can make a beautiful tattoo if we wish. You know, those who are with me on my WhatsApp, I have already sent the video. Those who are with me on my Canvas and Scissors, I have already uploaded the video. We have made a small video so that everybody understands what the concept is all about. Here we will try, you know, every year we try to help Project Dignity through our project. And this year we intend to help around 10k girls for their menstrual hygiene, and the event will take place on 8th of March. That is the Women's Day, because everything what we are doing is related with women. So let's make the blue jeans ka blue jutta. How will it look? I don't know how is it going to look. What jutta, what color jutta should we do here? I'm confused. So let me do one thing. First, let me put a full layer of white so that I can do a bit of scraping part. Okay, so I'm just putting a layer of white. Actually, I wanted to do the Fevicol one, but then it's all okay. The leather texture which I had thought. So I've already done my white. Now we can make the shoe blue. It will be matching, or we can make it pink. So let me use rose pink color. I don't know how it is going to look, but I'm trying my best. So children round the country can take part in it. That means the entire Indian children can be a part of it. The first part is like you have to just make something out of trash from your surroundings and upload the before and after picture of what you have made. Or in the second half, once that is selected, that before and after pictures से selection होगी, और selection के बाद you all will get a chance to walk the ramp at Hotel Kohinoor Continental, wherein again there will be winners, and everyone who is selected will again get a trophy. See, every participating child will of course get a philanthropist certificate from our side, as well as a medal, and those who are selected will get a trophy, a memento. In fact, they'll get a memento where that will be the state award. And again, if they are selected, again I mean to say, if they are the winners, if they are the winners of the contest, then they get the sash, they get the crown, they get the big trophy, they get so many things. Advantage, advantage, advantage. You all should not miss this opportunity. You know, opportunities not always strike your door, but if it has done it, you all should take complete advantage of it. Now see, what am I doing? It can be a leather texture, so what am I doing is I'm just making few textures on my shoe. I don't know, I cannot find my scraper as usual, so I'm just making these leather texture types on my shoes. It is just scraping away because I've already done white below. You know, the scraping again you can do it with the, you all know what I'm talking about. If you all don't know what am I talking about, go to the 2 videos prior to this where I made a leather purse. I'm just talking about that. और मेरे को लिंक पिंक करने नहीं आती यार, तुम लोग ऐसे, वो मैं एकदम बड़ी यूट्यूबर नहीं हूँ जो तुमको प्रेस kept the link on the description box, you all can press the link and go to that. इतना मेरे से नहीं होता यार, इतना कर रही हूँ ना वही चिपोते. So I'm just scraping it off in any pattern, so to give this just a look of a, you know, it's a patterned heel. So this is for my bada bachas. I have already done drawings for my chota bachas, and I'm sure I'm going to make something nice again for my chotus, motus. Okay, there was a girl who has requested me to add made a baby with the earphones, and she requested me to make a girl with a earphone. Oh yeah. So yes, I'm going to do that too. So now see, I'm just giving a little bit of shading here and there so that the shoes look nice. Karke. Now just taking a little darker shade here, scraping this part so that it looks like the real heel. This part is dark. Now since it's not coming that dark, I have a chance. What I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of brown here, my gande wala brown, and I just overdo my Rani color, that is the rose pink color. Okay, I just do this rose pink color. थोड़ा सा स्क्रैपिंग जैसे हट गई है तो भी लगा सकते हैं, नहीं लगानी तो भी it's okay. Now you can just make the shadows. See, one shadow will be here, a very small line because it should not be black. Here it will be, see, always remember the shadow goes on the part which is touching the ground. Okay, here, either so it will be the below part. So I've already done this a little darker brown. See, this part is touching the ground and this part is touching the ground, correct? So here and here. Now we take a grey color, children, and just थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको हिलाकर हम लोग shadows बना देते हैं. इसको सिर्फ अपने जगह से थोड़ा सा displace करना है. Okay, so this becomes the shadow. Now what you can do is just take a black color for a little bit of, don't do the borders, okay, just to give a little bit of depth. You're using this. You don't have to give a complete border. ऐसा पूरा border देंगे तो वो मजा ही जाएगा. Now you can do one thing. You can make a tattoo. I don't know whether I'll be able to make this tattoo with this. Okay, I'll make small hearts. Tattoos are usually black in color, correct? So let me make few chota hearts. That is a simple tattoo which I'm doing. Had I क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ, चारकोल पेंसिल होता तो I would have made a little more delicate tattoo for her, but then this is also okay. I don't think so this will look bad. Okay, so my tattoo is ready. So this is the tattoo which I have put. If you wish, you put. If you don't wish, please don't put. Now I want my Gandhiwala brown. This is just my brown. Where's my Gandhiwala brown? I think so, you know, there is no Gandhiwala brown in this dabba. 25 shades ka dabba. There is no Gandhiwala brown, and I am so fond of Gandhiwala brown. I can't live without it. So just taking this. Okay. So I've already done this. Please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors, children. Please, I'll be waiting for your drawings to be uploaded. Yes. So this is my jeans. The jeans texture with a little bit of shadings and all. It is such an easy drawing. Please do it and you'll have learned the jeans texture right away. Later on we'll mix the jeans texture, the leather texture, or we'll do the jute texture now. So see you soon, children. Bye bye.